Did you get a home inspection on a new construction building? The answer is yes, and here's why. First, new homes have problems too. We have found many deficiencies on new homes from both human error and defects in the materials. Second, the local building inspector doesn't work for you, and his inspection is not nearly as thorough as a home inspection. Third, finding out issues before you move in saves money down the road. And lastly, it matters at resale. The next buyer will bring in a home inspector, and then those issues will be found. Except now, you'll be responsible for them. So contact us today to inspect your new construction building.